What's one thing you didn't get to tell your ex?
That I cheated too.
Novoo Pandorahh.
Welcome back to our next video, yeah? Like before watching, because that's the golden rule, yeah? Turn on that post notification bell once you're new, my friend. Alright, so people, you don't know it's really so easy. I'm welcome back to our next video, you see me? Big up Walla for the visual and big up Nash, you see it? Subscribe to them channel and follow them on Instagram. To them, I go around there in New York people, and I go around and I ask everybody, what one thing you never get for tell your ex, you see it? Comment below what one thing you never get for tell your ex. Let's do this, people. New York, we're out here. Big apple. You eat apple? Yo, chips. Banana chip. I'm really so easy, your name?
Manaya.
Alright, Manaya, what's your name?
Vienna.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm okay. Where are you from?
Alabama.
Alabama, what about you?
I'm from Long Island.
Wow, alright. So I'm asking, do you have a boyfriend now?
No.
Alright, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Alright, did your ex and you end bad?
Yeah.
Wow. What about you?
Did what?
Did you and your ex end bad?
Yeah. I guess.
What? What did he do?
I got cheated on.
Oh wow, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
What about you?
He was still messing with his ex a lot.
Why?
I don't know.
Did you talk to him about it?
Yeah, plenty of times, and he did it a lot, so.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright, so this is good. This is good then. What's one thing you never get to tell your ex? What's one thing you want to tell him and did you get to tell him?
Can you come back to me? I have to think. Can you go to?
Alright. What's one thing you didn't get to tell your ex?
That I cheated too.
Yes, so really so easy. Your name?
Smokey B, nobody better than he.
Smokey B.
Nobody better than he.
Nobody better than he.
At all, whoop day.
Oh, where you from?
I'm from Bronx, New York.
Bronx, New York.
Webster Avenue.
Yo, that's what's up?
Yeah, that's what's up, you know the vibe.
Alright. So I'm going around, I'm asking, okay? You got an ex, right?
Ex? Yeah, of course I got an ex.
Did it end good or bad?
I mean, bad?
Bad. You wrong?
Nah, I didn't do nothing wrong. She did.
You did. Yo, come on,
I didn't
Smokey.
do nothing wrong. Like, I word to everything. I didn't do nothing wrong.
You sure?
Word to my dad.
She's a problem?
She has always been a problem.
Oh, so you get rid of it?
Of course, got to get rid of that problem. Can't solve the problem sometimes.
Alright. So
Get rid of it.
yeah, right? Alright. So I'm asking, what's the one thing you didn't get to tell her?
Let's see.
No, we can't.
All right, so one thing I didn't get to tell her,
Yeah, what's the one thing you didn't get to tell your ex?
like how I truly felt about her.
No, a negative.
Oh, a negative? Like,
Yeah, anything.
anything? I ain't gonna lie, she was low-key, like, short-haired. Like, she was bald, so I ain't fuck with that.
She was bald?
She was bald. Like, I don't fuck with short-haired bitches. Like, that's bad.
Oh, so she
She had short hair. Like, I had longer hair than her.
Oh, so you don't like?
Yeah, I don't like that.
So what's the one thing you hid
That
from
I
her?
hid from her?
Yeah.
That I hid from her. Let's
Yeah,
see.
she don't know.
I spoke to her ex-best friend. Like, I was talking to her ex-best friend.
Oh no, Smokey.
Like, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like that, though. It was like, as in, like it was a little time period where, like, she wasn't jacking me. So I started jacking her best friend.
Oh, you jack her best friend?
Yeah, so then that's how it became her ex-bestie, because of me.
Oh, you made her
Yeah.
best friend
Yeah.
became her ex-best
Yeah,
friend?
but, like, it was really...
Smokey, you bad.
I'm not bad. She was...
You bad.
Like I said, Smokey B, nobody better than he, though.
Nobody better than
Nobody better than he at all.
I'm really so easy. Your name?
Lace.
Lace. All right, where you from?
I'm from Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, you enjoying yourself?
I am.
Good?
Good, very good.
All right. So basically, I'm just asking. You're in a relationship now?
Absolutely, yes.
Love him love you?
Yes,
Which one?
both.
Both? That's good. That's good. All right. So did you and your ex end good or bad?
Good.
Good?
I'd say good. It was understood.
Oh, everybody just say, oh, let's call it a day.
No, but for educational reasons.
What?
Yes.
No cursing or argument?
No, because it was a long distance, so it was kind of easy to break
Oh,
off.
oh,
Towards
oh.
the end.
How was it?
How was it?
Yeah.
It was challenging when it got long.
Long distance.
Yes.
All right. So what's the one thing your ex don't know?
I don't know.
Come on. You told him everything?
I'm very honest. I'm transparent.
One
Almost
thing.
to my detriment, I can be very honest.
One thing you kept from him.
An ex? I've been with my husband now for so long, so I mean, I don't know.
Oh, all right. One thing you didn't get to tell him then. One thing you didn't get to tell your ex.
Right now, how proud of him I am.
Wow. Good? You have good to tell him?
Absolutely. He's now an orthopedic surgeon, so I'm very proud of him.
Whoa, that's good. You're the first that's telling your ex good.
Yes.
Yeah, normally you'll be like, I hate him.
No, you can't harbor that ill will in your
Good.
heart chakras. No, you have to let it go, forgive and move on and live life.
All right. You have an Instagram?
I do.
All right, can you shout it out?
Yes, it's Lace Witten. It's just Lace. My last name, Whitten.
You're so, really so easy. And your name?
Louis V. Houndin, whoop it.
You Louis V.
Yeah.
All right, where you from?
I'm from Yonkers, New York, but I be in the Bronx, you know the vibes?
Oh, you know the vibes. That's where you're from. All right, then. Do you have a girlfriend that you love?
Hell no.
No. Do you have an ex that you hate?
Hell yeah.
You ate your ex?
What am I flight?
Did it end good or bad?
Ask her. I cheated on her.
Oh, you did?
Word of my flight.
Why?
Oh, cause she was acting weird. So
Weird? How weird?
I don't know. She just wasn't like being my girlfriend type shit.
Oh, she didn't put up to the responsibility.
Yeah, so I fucked one of her friends.
Oh, yo, Louis, you bad.
Chill. Don't
Chill. All right. So what's the one thing you hid from your ex that you didn't get to tell her?
How she fucked, like that was not swagged out at all.
What? How she what?
How she fucked, like she just sat there and I had to like, you feel me?
Oh, you had to do it all.
I had to complete the mission type shit.
Oh, she was like dead like a log.
Yeah, and on top of that, she couldn't even take the.
Oh, she couldn't take. She couldn't take what?
The dick. I swear to my dad, she couldn't like. This shit not funny, like.
Yeah, she couldn't handle it.
Couldn't.
Oh my God! What?
Yeah, I mean, so it was even.
You did? How long ago?
I'll say it was like 3 months until we got in. So it was about 3 months when I did it.
Why?
Cause I mean, I wasn't feeling him at first, and he cheated on me first, so it was only fair.
Okay, all right. What about you?
That I should have chose the friend instead.
You should have chose his friend instead of him.
Yeah.
Yo. What?
Cause like you know, and like you see like their friends, and then you like, oh, I should have chose that one instead. Like
His
better.
friend look better than him.
Like he like kept up with himself better and stuff, and just yeah.
Oh wow. Yo.
Gave money.
He was rich.
He might have been loyal to who would have.
Your ex, you cheated on your ex.
Yeah.
And that's one thing you wanted to tell him, that you cheated too.
Definitely.
What did you hate about him?
Everything. He was controlling, very controlling. I couldn't go out, none of that at all.
Oh, so now you're free?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, shout out your Instagram.
No, it's okay.
All right, what about your Instagram?
What?
What's your Instagram?
Oh, Savannah. No H at the end of Savannah _ BABII.
Really so easy. Your name?
Malik.
Malik. Your name?
Jordan.
Jordan. All right, Jordan. I'm asking. Malik, right? You couples?
Yeah, we are a couple.
Wow, that's awesome, right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm asking, did your ex and you end bad? Did you and your ex end bad?
No.
Good?
My ex?
Yeah.
No, she's bad. She was bad.
She was bad?
Yeah.
It wasn't good?
No.
Wow. All right, what about you?
Bad.
Good, not good?
Not good.
How long you guys been dating?
About like 2 years.
He didn't remember, right?
He knows.
He knows?
I know.
Oh.
February 14th.
Yeah.
Wow.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine. Yo, all right then. So what's one thing you didn't get to tell your ex?
My ex?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hold on, pause it.
doesn't-
What's one thing you didn't get to tell your ex?
You?
What? What did he do?
I don't want to say.
Fuck him, if that was she
Wait,
said.
no. What about you? What's one thing you didn't get to tell her?
Honestly, I don't have anything to tell her.
What? Everything
Well,
good?
We weren't
It was
good.
good?
No, we weren't good to each other, and we didn't meant to be.
What's one thing you hate about her,
you know?
though?
Something I hated about my ex.
Yeah. Okay, he's
Okay,
thinking.
she was annoying.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, she was annoying.
What about you? What's one thing you hated about your ex?
Liar.
He's liar.
Manipulative.
Wow, that's not good.
No, it's not.
Really, I'm really so easy. Your name?
Skyler.
Skyler. All right, Skyler, you come glow up right now. Can I get that spin? Who inspired that look here?
Me can't dress, you're not a family.
You dress yourself?
Me dress myself.
What kind of occasion?
Well,
I try to look at Spooky.
I have my spooky over there, so.
Okay.
Come
Oh,
out.
pan a date.
No, really, yeah, I date and I look a video thingy.
Oh, like a little, video thing.
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah, I do.
You started?
No, I'm ready to do YouTube.
All right, we got all right in at the end.
Yeah.
The base pan answer people. We're gonna make sure shout out our YouTube.
Alright.
All right, so you have a boyfriend. They say, how long are they in a relationship?
Over 1 year.
Oh, that good, that good. All right, so you have an ex. You hate him or love him?
Like my previous relationship or any ex.
I don't know. Your ex. You hate him or you love him?
I don't hate them. I don't have bad energy around nobody, but
The last one, why you end it?
why?
Yeah.
I'm too slow. I'm not communicate. I
Him
can't.
too slow, what you mean?
Me and him not on the same page.
Oh, so you the one the ring and him never want?
Never the ring. If I not communicate, me and I will get along. Cause I'm miserable, I'm
You're
stubborn.
miserable which month?
July.
July. All right, she miserable for true. All right, so what one thing you never get for tell your ex? Or one secret your ex not know?
I'm gonna keep secret.
You not keep secret? What one thing you never get for tell your ex?
I don't know.
Where you hide from him?
My savings.
You see your Vince, what that? One thing you never get for tell your ex when you two on the talk, like what you never like about him? You love everything. You love everything but your ex?
Hard.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
So you get back with him if him win $1 million?
No, me love to upgrade, so there's no point of me downgrading.
So if the man win $1 million,
Money in front of me.
Mama,
No.
$1 million can buy most last week, you know?
Me don't love sweets. Me work. Me look at 9 to 5.
Independent?
Yeah.
Follow our Instagram. What's your YouTube?
I am Skyler, all caps. Yeah.
I am Skyler. Subscribe to you right now, people. Come on, let's do this.
Some people are no matter. Me back to me now.
Yes, sir. Really so easy. Your name?
Not sure.
I'm a G. So basically, me I go and I ask a simple question. You see me, you're in a relationship?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, right now.
You love her, she love you, which one?
You know some love her and she say she love me, but you know,
Oh, you don't know?
she say she love me and she show love, but me no deep down and true.
Oh, you a deep lover.
No, I don't know what going inside of she. You know, some I don't know if she.
Oh, so you test the waters?
Yeah, fam.
Alright then. Your ex and good or bad?
You know, say it was a, but what say it good or
You wrong or she right?
me wrong.
You wrong?
Yeah.
Yo, you're general. Once you can see you wrong and point it out, you're general.
Yeah, I mean.
Where you do?
You know, say. Fuck
Where you do?
Fuck up, come. She didn't move sideways. Some of the things say.
You cheat on her?
Yeah.
General, you cheat on her?
Yeah.
Why you cheat on her?
Cause,
You
you know.
should do it. Do it?
Yeah.
Alright, so what one thing your ex don't know about you? Like, one thing is keep a secret from her.
My ex.
Yeah.
You know, so she don't know my real name though.
Your ex don't know your real name? A liar, I tell.
I swear to God, she don't know my
Why?
real name. Eh?
Why?
She does. I never trust her none time.
So you don't trust your ex for tell her your real name?
Yeah, cause she does talk some things and do some things more and me have to say yo.
So right now, if your ex, if you're there in a hospital back then, and your ex a try to find you,
No, I'm not give my ex. You know something?
no, she wouldn't find you.
No.
Because she don't know your name.
Yeah, my ex. She wouldn't even know me in the hospital.
So you in the road and nearly get licked down. So she gonna call you.
She had the last priority.
Whoa, you never love her then.
You feel me, bro?
Yo, yeah, that, yes, sir. Alright, so people, this is the end of the video, is it? Big up Walla and Nash for the visual right now. Times Square, whatever, we just want to find out what message you have to tell your ex, which secret you keep from your ex, You see it? We golden right now. Subscribe and like and just turn on the post notification bell because we golden, yeah? Times Square is beautiful.
I got this banana chips for you.
Novoo, you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it, crunch it.
Shout out the Instagram.
You know, say Nash Buffer.
Nash O?
Nash Buffer. Nash that underscore that buffer.
Alright, big up, see?
Big up.
Ash.